Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have this this emergency choking kit, and we have a grandson. He is about 7 months old at the making of this video, and I saw this and I knew I had to have it right away. It comes with 2 different size face masks for a child and an adult, and basically, I mean, this is something that, I mean, it's probably your biggest fear as a grandparent or a parent. You know, is somebody choking on something and then you're not able to clear it, you don't know what to be able to do. The demonstrations of this are absolutely fantastic. I'm obviously not going to be demonstrating this today, but I'm going to show you what you get in the kit because I was curious. My main curiosity was how this actually worked. So at the heart of it is this plunger. And if you see, it has these vents on the side. So this is sealed, so I'm going to open it up on the one side. So, like, this is the adult face mask. So you're going to put that over someone's face. But how it works is you're basically putting it down, you're making a tight seal on someone's face. I use the table as an example. And you're pushing down, and what happens is it will make a seal. So when you're doing like the upward thrust, so when you're pushing down, I thought it was actually going to push like an object further down someone's throat, which is probably the worst thing you want to have happen. But this plunger with those valves on the side, when you push down, the air actually goes outside the mask. And then what you do is you're creating a seal. So when you're pulling up on it, basically you're holding the mask in place, you're holding the plunger down, and then you're pulling up on it, and that is going to help create a reverse suction, pulling something out of someone's, something that's lodged in her throat. But basically, to give you kind of a better idea, is I'll push down on my hand, and you can kind of see and hear the suction that it creates. So when I'm pushing down on this, I can feel the air whoosh out from the sides, and then you can definitely feel like the suction on that. So on the directions, it basically shows place the mask over the victim's nose and mouth, so basically like this, or if you have like the child size. Hold the mask with your weak hand, so like if you're right-handed, you hold it with your left hand. If you're left-handed, you hold it with your right hand. Give you kind of an idea. And then you push the plunger down with your strong hand. All air will escape from out of the one-way valve system, preventing obstruction from being pushed further into the victim. Pull back on the plunger, step 3. Pull back on the plunger while holding the mask in place. This will create suction. If the obstruction does not come out on the first pull, continue to push and pull the plunger without removing the device from the victim's face. So you're basically holding this down with your left hand or right hand, depending on if you're left-handed or right-handed. And so basically you are going to be doing this, and you'll probably see and or hear whatever is lodged in there get pulled out. This is a great piece of emergency equipment. I bought quite a few of these. One for my daughter, because she has our grandson. So I want to make sure that she has a kit at her disposal. Because little ones, they put things that they shouldn't in their mouth, and you know, you want to be prepared. And I think this was a great kit. Have one here at the house, have one over at her house. I got a couple extra ones that I'm basically going to be passing around, not so much as gifts, but as a necessary item to have available in emergencies. I mean, this is something great. I know that I have been on the verge of choking, and people just kind of like they panic. They don't know what to do. This is probably a quick, easy solution to keep on hand. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal. Be safe out there, and yeah, check these things out.